what's going on, guys? Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Today we're out ripping up our field with our 2017 Raptor, and as you saw, it performs great in the snow. This thing is an absolute beast with a big lift, 37-inch tires. What you might have also noticed is that the factory exhaust has been removed from this Raptor, and it's got an AWE exhaust. We love the guys over at AWE and the exhaust systems that they make. This is their 1FG kit on a 2017 Raptor. I installed this about 4 months ago. Now this kit is a 3-inch CNC US mandrel bent stainless steel kit. It's all designed and made here right in the US, so you know it's gonna fit and finish really nice onto your Raptor. Fits a 17 to 19, so everyone with those newer Raptors, you're gonna be hooked up with these exhausts. Plus, they sound awesome. Factory exhaust on these things is garbage. Just rip it off. You need one of these exhausts. Plus, it's gonna make your truck perform a little bit better too. It's a free-flowing exhaust, so you're gonna see some mild horsepower and torque gains out of it. Now, one thing that I do like about this exhaust too is that it's stainless steel construction. It's not gonna rust, and in Pennsylvania, you can see behind me, we've got snow, we've got salt, and they love to salt those roads, so if you don't wanna worry about that exhaust rotting off of your $70,000 truck, trust the guys at AWE because they construct it out of US-made stainless steel. So it's not gonna rust, no issues with it. It's gonna last a lifetime and sound great. Now I'm gonna hop back in this truck, rip up the field a little bit more. We got one more thing to show you guys, so stay tuned.
Now, the AWE Touring exhaust sounds absolutely amazing on our 50th anniversary 2015 Mustang. Gives us just enough sound, sounds really good on the highway, and no drone whatsoever. If you're looking for more volume, we have the track system available as well. Now, if you love the sound of these systems as much as we do, well, guess what? We have an excellent deal right now for our viewers. We're gonna give away one full system for either your 11 through 19 Mustang or a 7 through 19 Raptor. Details on how you can win a $250 CJ gift card and a free AWE exhaust system are in the description below.